Hello, health-conscious folks. Leo M here, your dedicated guide on the Health Spiffy channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might sound a bit unusual at first glance, but bear with me. It's about the potential game changer that is incorporating raisin water into your daily routine on an empty stomach. Yes, you heard it right, we're talking about how your liver and intestines can team up to bid farewell to toxins more efficiently. But before we plunge into the nitty-gritty, if you haven't subscribed to Health Spiffy yet, now's the perfect time. Hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Section 1. Unveiling the power of raisin water. Let's kick things off by addressing the elephant in the room. Why should you care about raisin water? Well, my health enthusiasts, this simple concoction of raisins and water can potentially revolutionize your daily health regimen. The focus today? Your liver and intestines, the unsung heroes working tirelessly within you. Section 2. The detox duo, liver and raisin water. Now, let's unravel the first piece of this health puzzle, detoxification. Your liver, often underappreciated, is a detox powerhouse. Picture this. Raisin water acts as the trusty sidekick, supporting your liver in its mission to break down and eliminate toxins. It's like having a superhero duo, working in tandem to ensure your body stays as clean as a whistle. Section 3. Digestive harmony, intestines and raisin water. Moving on to our second player, the intestines. While they may not be as glamorous as the liver, their role in digestion and nutrient absorption is paramount. Raisin water steps up the game by promoting digestive harmony. The fiber in raisins acts as a gentle broom, ensuring a smooth journey for food through your digestive system. It's like giving your intestines a daily spa treatment. Section 4. The raisin water ritual. Now, how do you make this elixir? It's simpler than you might think. Grab a handful of raisins, about 1/4 to 1/2 cup. Give them a good rinse to bid farewell to any unwanted hitchhikers. Toss them into a clean container, add 2 cups of water, cover it up, and let the magic happen overnight. The result? Your very own homemade raisin water, ready to kickstart your mornings. Section 5. The morning ritual. Raisin water on an empty stomach. Now, let's talk timing. For optimal impact, make it a morning ritual. Drinking a glass of raisin water on an empty stomach allows your body to absorb its goodness more effectively. Think of it as a daily wake-up call for your liver and intestines, signaling them to gear up for the day's challenges. Section 6. A symphony of nutrients. But we're not done singing praises for raisin water. Brace yourselves for the nutrient symphony it brings to the table. As those raisins soak in water overnight, they release a medley of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, creating a nutrient-packed elixir. It's like a daily dose of vitality, providing your body with the essentials it needs to thrive. Section 7. Balancing act, blood sugar levels. Let's talk about blood sugar, a concern for many. Raisins, with their low glycemic index, play a balancing act. By incorporating raisin water into your routine, you might be helping your body maintain steadier blood sugar levels. It's not a magic wand, but it's a sensible step towards supporting your body's glucose management. Section 8. Beauty unleashed, skin benefits. Beauty enthusiasts, rejoice! Raisin water isn't just a backstage hero. It's ready to take the center stage for your skin. Antioxidants in raisins combat free radicals, those pesky agents that age your skin prematurely. Plus, the hydration boost from raisin water contributes to a glowing complexion. It's like giving your skin a daily sip of radiance. Section 9. Weight management, the gentle sidekick. Let's touch on weight management, a concern for many of us. Raisin water, with its fiber content, can be a gentle sidekick in your weight loss journey. The fiber keeps you feeling full for longer, curbing those mid-morning snack cravings. It's not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle, but it's a welcome addition to the team. Section 10. A few words of caution. Now, before you jump headfirst into the raisin water revolution, a quick word of caution. While generally safe for most, individuals with diabetes should keep an eye on their blood sugar levels due to the natural sugars in raisins. As with any dietary change, consulting with your healthcare provider is a smart move, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Conclusion. There you have it, health aficionados. The detailed breakdown on how raisin water, consumed daily on an empty stomach, can potentially optimize the dynamic duo of your liver and intestines. From detoxification and digestive harmony to a nutrient-packed morning elixir, raisin water is a simple addition to your routine that might just make a world of difference. If you found this information valuable, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more health revelations on the Health Spiffy channel. I'm Leo M., signing off. Stay spiffy, stay healthy.